Hello my friends, today we're going to learn colors, shapes, numbers, and learn how to make a hamburger. First we will learn colors with these honeybees. We will match these honeybees into the correct colored honeybee cell. Alright, let's get started. Do you know the color of this honeybee? It is green. This is a green honeybee. Alright, let's match this honeybee with the correct colored cell. Will it match right here? No, this cell is not green. What about here? Yes, this cell is green, so this honeybee will go right here. This is the green cell and the green honeybee is inside. Do you know the color of this honeybee? It is purple. Where will this purple honeybee match? Will this purple honeybee match right here? Yes, this purple honeybee will match right here. Purple honeybee. The purple honeybee is inside the purple cell. Do you know the color of this honeybee? It is orange. Where will this orange honeybee match? Will it match right here? No, this is not the orange cell. What about here? Yes, the orange honeybee will go right here because this is the orange cell. Do you know the color of this honeybee? It is yellow. Where will this yellow honeybee match? Will this yellow honeybee match right here? Yes, the yellow honeybee will match right here because this is the yellow cell. Do you know the color of this bee? It is dark blue. Where will this dark blue honeybee match? Will it match right here? No, this is not the dark blue cell. What about here? Yes, this is the dark blue cell, so the dark blue honeybee will go right here. This is the dark blue cell and the dark blue honeybee's inside. Do you know the color of this honeybee? This honeybee is red. Where will this red honeybee match? Will the red honeybee match with this cell right here? Yes, the red honeybee will go right here because this is the red cell. Do you know the color of this honeybee? It is light blue. Where will the light blue honeybee match? Will it match right here? Yes, the light blue honeybee will match right here because this is the light blue cell. Light blue honeybee. Wow, we've matched all the honeybees to the correct cells. This is the red honeybee, the yellow one, the green honeybee, the light blue honeybee, the dark blue honeybee, the purple honeybee, and the orange honeybee. Now we will learn numbers with this puzzle. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 1. Where will the head of the dinosaur match? Will it match right here? No, then what about here? Yes, the head of the dinosaur will match right here. And this is the number 1. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 2. Where will this piece of the dinosaur match? Since we only have one part, let's try matching it right here. Yes, it matches perfectly. And this is the number 2. 1, 2. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 3. Where will this part of the dinosaur match? Will it match right here? Yes, this part will match right here. Alright, you know what number is this? This is the number 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 4. Where will the number 4 match? Will the number 4 match right here? Yes, the number 4 will match right here. 4. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 5. Where will the number 5 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 5 will match right here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 6. Where will the number 6 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 6 will match right here. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 7. Where will the number 7 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 7 will match right here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 8. Where will the number 8 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 8 will match right here. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 9. Where will the number 9 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 9 will match right here. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 10. Where will the number 10 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 10 will match here. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, we have assembled this dinosaur and learned numbers and counting from 1 to 10. Now we will learn shapes. Can you help me find all the circles? Is this a circle? Yes, this is a teal circle. Alright, do you see another circle? Yes, this is a red circle. Now, do you see another one? Yes, this is a yellow circle. These circle holes will have to match with the circle peg. Is this a circle peg? No, it doesn't fit. What about this one? Yes, this is a circle peg. So this yellow circle will go here. The red circle will also go here, and the teal circle will go here. Can you help me find all the squares? Yes, this is the yellow square. Now, do you see another square? Yes, this is a teal square. Now, do you see another square? Yes, this is a red square. These squares have a square-shaped hole. Alright, where will these squares match? Will they match right here? No, this is not a square. Then what about here? Yes, this is a square peg, and these are square-shaped holes. So the red square will go here, the teal square will go here, and the yellow square will go here. Squares. Can you help me find the triangles? Is this a triangle? Yes, this is a teal triangle. Now, do you see another triangle? Yes, this is another triangle. This is the red triangle. Now, do you see another one? Yes, this is another triangle. This is the yellow triangle. Where will these triangles match? Will these triangles match right here? No, what about here? Yes, the yellow triangle will go here, the red triangle will go here, and the teal triangle will go on top. Triangles. Do you know what shapes are these? These are rectangles. Alright, do you know the color of this rectangle? It is red. What's the color of this rectangle? It is yellow. Now what's the color of this rectangle? It is teal. Where will these rectangles match? Since we have only one place, all the rectangles will go here. The red rectangle, the yellow rectangle, and the teal rectangle. Wow! Alright, we have all the rectangles, squares, circles, and triangles. And we have learned shapes and colors. Now we're gonna learn how to make a burger. We will make our own burger. First we have the bottom bun. Next we will put the meat on top of the bottom bun. Then we'll put the egg on top of the meat. Then we'll have the lettuce above the eggs. Then we'll have the cucumbers above the lettuce. Then we'll have the tomato above the cucumbers. And then we will have the cheese above the tomato. And we'll have the top bun above the cheese. Wow, look at this burger. Looks so delicious. Wow, that was so fun. We've learned lots of things. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.